Hey space fans, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how spaceships connect in space? Today we are going to learn about India's amazing SpaDeX mission. Let's dive into this topic. On January 16, 2025, India made a big step in space exploration with the success of ISRO's space docking experiment SpaDeX. Let's see what is the meaning for space docking. Imagine two spaceships carefully connecting in space like a handshake. That's space docking. Now let me see what is SpaDeX mission. This was a mission with two special satellites called SDX-01, the chaser, and SDX-02, the target. Let's see how it works. The satellites carefully moved closer and closer, starting from far away and ending up just a few meters apart. Using special sensors and thrusters, the satellites automatically connected. After docking, the satellites become more stable. They could share power with each other. They could start working together. Now see what is the goal for this mission? To test if these satellites could find each other in space and then successfully connect. Let's see why it is important. Space docking is a key skill for future space missions like building bigger space stations or fixing satellites in space. SpaDeX is indeed a crucial mission for India's space program. Why is this SpaDeX mission is important? Let's see one by one. First, building in space. Space docking lets us to build bigger things in space. Second, space stations. Imagine building a large space station like the International Space Station. Docking is essential to transport supplies, crew, and even add new modules to the station. Third, interplanetary missions. For missions to the Moon, Mars, or other planets, spacecraft might need to dock with the lander, a transfer vehicle, or even resources in space. Fourth, satellite servicing. Docking allows for repair, refueling, or upgrades of satellites already in orbit, extending their lifespan and reducing space debris. Fifth, helping astronauts. Allow astronauts to move between spacecraft. Technological advancement. By successfully demonstrating docking technology, India gains valuable expertise in autonomous navigation, precision maneuvering, and robotic systems. Let's see one by one. First, autonomous navigation. Guiding two spacecraft to precisely meet in the vastness of space requires sophisticated autonomous navigation system. Second, precision maneuvering. Delicate maneuvers are needed to approach and dock safely without collisions. Third, robotic systems. Developing and refining robotic systems for docking operations is a significant technological feat. SpaDeX is a significant step forward for India's space program, paving the way for more ambitious and complex missions in the future. Yes, it's absolutely right now. Next generation space technologies. SpaDeX is a crucial part of ISRO's ambitious plan to develop cutting-edge space technologies. This includes things like reusable launch vehicles, human space flight, space-based solar power. Let's see one by one how it is useful for the space technology. Reusable launch vehicles. Reducing launch cost and increasing mission frequency. Human space flight. Missions like Gaganyaan aiming to send Indian astronauts to space. Space-based solar power. Harnessing solar energy in space and transmitting it to Earth. Next we see about PSLV C-60 mission. The SpaDeX experiment was carried out as part of the PSLV C-60 mission. This demonstrates the versatility of the PSLV rocket, which can now carry out complex missions like docking experiments in addition to its traditional role of launching satellites into orbit. By successfully completing SpaDeX, India joined a small group of countries that can do this complex space operation. It shows India's growing expertise in space technology. Who else can do this? The United States was the first one to do this in the 1960s. Russia also has a lot of experience with docking. China successfully docked parts of their space station. Now, India became the fourth country to achieve this amazing feat with SpaDeX. This is a big step for India's space program, showing that we have the skills and technology to do amazing things in space. Thanks for joining me today on this space exploration journey. SpaDeX is just the beginning. There are many exciting space missions to come. Stay curious, keep exploring, and subscribe for more space updates. Thank you.